this saved me some time in PowerPoint. I was trying to create a reveal animation, but there is like a manual way and there is actually a better way, and it's really automatic or just one click way to create this reveal. And what I'm talking about, if you select, let's say, this and I fly in, I use this a lot, and I really love to add this reveal animation like this, but it's not working properly. First, made here a mistake, but it's not really, doesn't look that good. But you know, you can hold shift here, and then go to effect options and add some smooth, and that's helped really improve the animation. Effect looks much better right now, but you can add this in a really short amount of time. So you can add this, and if you know the other tips, I'm not a professional in PowerPoint, I'm quite a beginner, but I'm sharing these tips with you. But to add this, what I've created before is actually, if you go here and add after previous, you can add exactly the same thing and looks just fine. Excuse me, I'm quite sick. So now if I select all of this and then I decrease duration, that's not bad either, but it's quite too fast. But still, you can increase this and then play. No, looks quite good. And this reveal animation, I think, looks really nice, and it's great for different projects. Now, of course, you can add, click on here, select all, and then click on add animation. Don't click on here, this will rewrite the first animation you added. If you want to add a second one, click on add animation, and here maybe you want to darken like this. So if I now play all, and then it darkens the, and here I can go in effect options, all at once, timing, that's good. But what I want, I can also add maybe object color, because with this one we can change the color, and I can click on this one, and now let's click on effect options. From here we can also select the color, after enhancement, after animation, don't theme, hide after animation. You can add hide on the next click. So now we'll hide all. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. You can also maybe add this same effect, but yeah, it kind of helps this animation. Like it helps the animation instead of just making this look worse. But it looks good. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.